cucumbers. Yeah. No, when I was little, I either wanted to be a computer therapist or a HGV driver, so I just need to do the HGV driver thing now and then I'm done. I've always really wanted to do that. Yeah, that's all right. There's rest and
What were them croc things called? You can just get little trinkets.
Aksas deniz üssümüz ise sol taraftaki burnun arkasında yer alıyor.
Don't know what that is. Ah, right. Okay.
yeah, you want to go out around.
Space down here for everyone.
Sit to the table.
Yaşlarınızın yanınıza almanız canlıları. Tüm misafirlerimle birlikte ikinciliği amigas bırak kadar devam ediyoruz. Ulaşımda istiyoruz.
söylemem değil mi? Metin. His name is Metin. We are together today. During the day, when you like some drinks, we cannot say you must buy your drinks in, but as you know, everybody is working for bread money. When you like something, no sugar, no water, 50 liras for a bottle. When you want, we make cash everything here. And yes, we are staying on beach until 12:30.
Where the nomad tribes travelling boys, dust and dirt and the racket in the north.
Here she is, Chombers.
That's a hole. We shouldn't have done that. That's illegal.
Chombers in the Dalyan.
Lovely, lovely sand that you don't mind getting on your feet.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a thumbs up from Chombers.
It is, so far so good. Now that we're off the phone.
Where's our mate?
Oh, I don't know. Talking to someone somewhere. I'll tell you that much more. How are we doing?
Sitting down.
How are we then?
Babysitting now.
So this is just casually speaking in Russian.
Babysitting a Russian child. Yeah, I saw something.
Snazzy crap.
It's a nice shot.
I didn't give this one to the turtle because they like. I will give it back to the company. What's going to say?
Better be Nana's line on the top. Oh, everyone's going on midday. Here's me imagining me. None of us really wanted to. I think it was quite clear.
You having fun, Chambers?
It's an experience.
And put that terrible ordeal behind us.
Yeah, it's been traumatic. If we're to maybe tomorrow, I just measure.
Yeah.
Does your skin feel any better? What?
Waving at Michelle. She'll be tired now. She's not had nappies in a while, has she?
She said that. I said I'd be asleep. She says, "Oh no, I just stopped craving the neck." And that keeps me going.
Yeah.
That's all alcohol.
2004 years ago in Bodrum, there was a king called Miletos. King Miletos had two twin children, one son and daughter. Name of the son was Ganos and name of the daughter was Kalbis. He was going to kill them because his children, they were going to get married. What they did, they escaped from Bodrum to Dalyan with their best friends and then they built their own town, Kanos. Kanos became as a king, also name of the city. Kanos ancient city, left hand side behind the mountain. One day trip by car. 25,000 people were living in Kano City 2,400 years ago. What we can see there if you visit. Castle, top of the mountain. Behind the mountain, theater, Sles Bazaar, fountain, Thames, Agora. All these are one day trip by car. They built their own town and after a long time they had 4 children. 3 daughters and 1 son. Now when you look at the tombs, the last one is for his wife. The biggest one for King Kanos. Left hand side after big one, left hand side. 3 of them for daughters, and the last one for the son. Sons, they were believing sun in that time. They thought that if they build them top of the mountain, they can feel very close to their God. They built them in 25 years with 3,000 slaves. They were using rope, chisel, and hammer to build. While they were building, one of the Lycian person got mosquito bite, and then they all died one by one because of the malaria. We all know malaria. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.
Cute. The figurehead. Aberdeen's the best place for it. Big old ship, isn't it? That? Yeah, the crab, man.
In the valley of the jolly, green giant.
Turunc, have a nice full day. If any of you going back still have an enjoying time. Whenever you work in the harbor, you always welcome to our boat to meet people with us anytime you like. If you really enjoy, you can recommend your friends in an apartment, in your hotel. Like this, we can have some more guests. If you didn't enjoy, please be quiet and send your enemies here. Still, we can go to Turtle Beach.